Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. The day is awaiting us with rich and beautiful blessings. Let us accept and enjoy them as they come. With this, let us start our day. A very hearty morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi from class 8 presenting today's morning assembly. Remembering God's goodness moves us to respond to our world in hope rather than fear. It fuels our love for others. Let us begin our day, aligns our heart and mind in thanksgiving, humility, and love for God. Let us pray to God and take blessings. So, everybody join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, an inspirational thought in the morning can charge us with positivity and motivation for the rest of the day. By triggering positive thoughts right from the hour zero of the day, we can spread happiness and positivity among others also. And I am inviting on the stage Tapas from class 8 for thought of the day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tapas. Thought of the day is you have got to wake up each day and understand what that day is about. You have got to have personal goals. Be flexible in getting to those goals. But if you do not have goals, you will not achieve them. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Tapas. As an aware citizen, we must know what is happening in the country and around the world. News is that medium which keeps us informed of the changing events, issues, and characters in the world outside. And let's get know today's news headlines. For this, I would like to invite on stage Namrata from class 8th. Thank you very much, Namrata, for today's news headlines. Lack of general knowledge can constrain our social interaction. This is one subject which play a vital role in our lives. If we know about current affairs and the latest developments happening across the globe, then we can take better decisions in our life. Let us check our knowledge. For GK quiz, I would like to invite Shami from class 8th. Thank you very much, Shami, for checking and increasing our knowledge. What does learning new words do? Learning new words help us to communicate more clearly, help us in understanding things more easily. It is very beneficial to develop our vocabulary on the regular basis. And it's time to enhance our vocabulary. For word of the day, I would like to call Amrit from class 8th. Good morning, everyone. My name is Amrit. Word of the day is quill. And the meaning of quill is to talk admiringly, enthusiastically, or proudly about something. Synonyms of quill are glory, joy, triumph. Antonyms are sorrow, hide, grieve. I'm using this word in a sentence. Everybody is happy at home and I am too quill over your performance. You have done so well in your exams. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. Dear friends, our principal sir enlighten us every single day. We are pleased to welcome him on the stage to inspire us with his precious words. Our nation is always on first priority for us. Here, we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Everybody get ready for national anthem. And now today's assembly is over. Thank you very much to all of you for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.